Welcome. Welcome to your beginner Italian vocabulary lesson. Let's start with some essential words. Our first word is ciao, meaning hello. Listen carefully to the pronunciation. Ciao. Repeat after me. Ciao is used both for greeting and saying goodbye. Next, we have grazie, which means thank you. The pronunciation is grazie. It's important to express gratitude. For example, if someone helps you, you can say grazie mille, which means thank you very much. Now let's learn per favore, which means please. The pronunciation is per favore. Use this when you ask for something politely. For instance, puoi passarmi il sale, per favore, means can you pass me the salt, please? Our next word is scusa, meaning excuse me. The pronunciation is scusa. You can use it when you need someone's attention. For example, scusa, dove si trova la stazione? Translates to, excuse me, where is the station? Lastly, let's cover sì and no, which mean yes and no. The pronunciations are sì and no. These words are essential for conversation. Practice these words regularly to enhance your Italian vocabulary.